Good day everyone, I am Benny Kate Lapping and in today's video, we'll be making a particular handicraft. But first, let's learn about what is a handicraft. A handicraft is a type of craft where people are making things using only their hands or basic tools. This term refers to traditional methods of making things, and the items are usually decorative and have a particular use. So now, let's proceed to making that particular handicraft. So what will it be? Drum roll! A doormat. But first, let's prepare our materials. The scissors, the frame, and the used clothes.
So, the very first step is to remove from the cloth the stitched parts, especially those hard and thick ones, until the cloth looks plain. Note that if the cloth is thick, cut it into 1-inch strip. If not, cut it into 1.5 inches. Step 2. Start cutting the cloth into strips until the cloth turns into a one long strip. It is better that strips are not separated. Step 3. Prepare the frame. Step 4. Make a knot at the very tip of the strip. Cut a part of it to make it thin so that the knot will not be as thick as having a bulge on your doormat. Step 5. Start putting the strip vertically. That will serve as the warp. Step 6. Lock it by making another knot at the end of the strip. Step 7. Repeat the process horizontally for our whip. Step 8. Start weaving over 1 under 1 by passing the width through the warp. Step 9. After weaving, you will now lock the sides by inserting it to the other until it looks like a braided hair. Lock the last tip by making a knot. Step 10. Polish your doormat by removing excess threads or cloth, and as much as possible, the bulge should be unrecognizable. Then, you have now your doormat.
Since we're done making our doormat, here are some pictures of my other handicrafts. I hope you enjoy our today's video. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.